Hello, everyone. It's me, Martha, from Open Doors, Open Minds. Today, you know what? Happy New Year. Happy New Year again. Hey, look down here. I'm going to be making some tabbouleh. And I'm just going to chat with you guys for a minute because I want you to know that I haven't forgot that I said we were going to do this year. We're going to do it. We're going to do it right. Okay? So come on over here and just watch and talk with me while I make this tabbouleh. Tabbouleh is a Mediterranean dish. And I have my grains right here already done. 1 cup of couscous. No, it's not couscous. What am I thinking? Bulgur wheat. So I'm going to put it right here in this bowl. 1 cup of bulgur wheat and 1 cup of water. Get the water boiling. Get the water boiling. See how nice and fluffy it is? This grain's very good for you. And add your bulgur in there. Take it off the fire, and boom. 5 minutes later, it should be done. So I have my parsley here. It's mainly parsley, garlic, if you want, and a little onion, a little cucumber, which I'm not putting any cucumber in today, and a little olive oil and lemon juice. Okay? Very simple. You can add anything to it that you want. Like you can add chicken, you can add peas, carrots, you can add anything you want. Make it your own when you're cooking. It's yours. Do as you please. So I got a piece of garlic here. And I'm going to put this together. I'm going to show you how easy it is to put together. A little 1 piece of garlic. So how has everybody been this New Year's 2020? How's 2020 treating y'all? It's treating me okay. You know what? I feel that it's something about 2020 is the beginning of a new era. And baby, things are going to start popping off. Yes, they are. So I'm just going to dice up this onion real quick. Try to make it a little thin. And I'm just going to drop everything in. Don't want a lot of onion, and I don't want it big. I just want it just a little sparse, little small pieces. I'm thinking this is more than enough. You see how it's cut up into very small pieces? Get in there, look at it. Don't be playing. Don't act like you don't want to see. And I'm just going to drop it right on in here. For right now, to get started, I'm just going to drop that. Because like I said, I don't want a lot. So we'll leave that over there. If I feel like I need more, I'll do more. Tomato, already rinsed. And like I said, everything is optional. You could put whatever you want in there. And just chop this up. Let me move this out the way. So you see, I'm not particular about anything. Just dicing them up. And if you don't like tomatoes, don't put tomatoes. If you like celery or anything else, just go ahead and put it in there. It's up to you. I'll put a little bit more. Like I said, I usually put cucumbers, but I don't have any, and I can do without. So we're going to leave that like that for now. And right here is mint. See the mint leaves? Yes, baby. A mint leaf. Smells good too. Yes, smells really good. So I'm going to chop these up. I'm just going to ball them up as much as I can. I'll get this back down here a little bit. Ball it up. And just chop it up finely as you can. Because tabbouleh is mainly parsley. So the more parsley you put in, the better. And I can tell you it's very good for your digestive system, baby. If you got any problems, you won't have them no longer. Put that right there. That's the mint. I got some more. I think I'm gonna put a little bit in. So yeah, everything is good. I got a couple of people that want to do a live. Oh gosh, somebody sent me a link from a YouTube thing you put, and it was about it was going way back to Donahue days. Now that's going way back. And Farrakhan. Everybody know Farrakhan? Well, if you don't know, look them up. But anywho, let me do this garlic. So I just usually just smash it down. Woo, my water purifier. I don't buy bottled water. But it was this woman on there, and they were talking about racism, as always. But her question was, very nice young lady, but she didn't understand why is there racism? Why do black people always have to try to explain why this is that way and that is this way, and why they feel threatened and why they don't feel safe, and you know, why can't we just all get along? Why? Farrakhan had to break it down, baby. So that's something that I want to have a discussion about, a live discussion where everybody would join in and just call in and just we talk about this. Because I can remember when Trayvon Martin, I'm going to dump this right here, little garlic, and now I'm going to move on to the parsley. I remember when Trayvon Martin got shot and Black Lives Matter, and white folks, you know, I was working at that time, and my co-workers, they didn't understand. You know, that's so wrong. They understood what happened, but they didn't understand why people were saying, but Black Lives Matter, everybody's life matters, and that's a fact. But we're talking about Black Lives Matter because at this particular time, they was just killing black folks like they wasn't nobody. Like they wasn't nothing. Like, what the hell? Just kill them. But we're saying we matter too. Why do you just keep killing us? We got lives. We matter. And so I was trying to explain to her the reasons why. And I'm not going to get into that right now because I don't want that to be a topic of concern. But I will say, when I broke it down to her, the way I felt about it, because I'm not saying that I'm right, but I'm just saying the way I felt about it, to make myself be understood, she started to cry. And because she had a 20, I think her son was 24. She said, I can't ever imagine feeling like that every time my son goes outside. I said, well, see, that's why we have these issues. This is why we say what we say. Okay, the parsley's all chopped up. I don't know why it went muted again, but it did. Huh. Okay. I don't know, but it's all right now. We're back. So I went and got some olive oil, extra virgin, sunflower and olive oil mix. So it's a little light, which I like. Got some black pepper, some sea salt, and I don't have any fresh lemon, but I have some lemon juice. Okay? So I don't measure stuff too much. So I'm going to put some pepper. And I do keep an eyeball on my salt, though, because I got to be careful with that. And you got some salt. So this is like a half a teaspoon. Yeah, half a teaspoon. This is a quarter, so 2 of those half. And I don't eyeball the lemon juice. I mean, I don't measure the lemon juice. I just eyeball it. Okay. And we just put a little bit of that in there. And about a tablespoon. And the olive oil. You just drizzle that on. I would say about a quarter of a cup. You know what? Because this bowl is a little overflowing, I'm going to put this all. Let's try it. Let's try it. So then you just mix it all up. You just mix it all in. Oh, doesn't that look good? You know what? I ain't going to be spilling it all over the place. I'm just going to dump it back in here and mix it up, and then I'll put it back in the bowl. Oh, this looks so good. Woo-hoo. So yeah, that's it. So we're gonna mix it up. You see it? Just mix it all in. Fluff it all around. There you go. Like you could put a boiled egg, some, you know, like if you cut up an egg, you could put chicken, you could put vegetables. I do sometimes like to put vegetables. And I'm just mixing it all in. I don't want too much olive oil. Oh, this looks so good. This is the best part right here when you cook it. What? Let's see. I tell you, this is very good for you. I like to eat this with fish. As a matter of fact, I'm going to cook a piece of flounder. Oh my gosh. That is so good. That is so good. I'm going to put a little bit more salt. A little bit more salt. And it doesn't have a lot of tomato because I didn't want a lot of tomato. But like I said, I'm going to be cooking this with some flounder. And that's going to be my dinner for tonight. So let me put this back in here. The lemon, you can taste the lemon, the onions, the garlic, just enough. Now, mind you, I'm going to tell you the truth about this here. You see all that parsley that's in there? This is not even. This is half of the parsley that should be in here. And there you go. ATabouli salad. Hey, take a few minutes, make you some. It's very inexpensive. You can buy a box of aTabouli with all the ingredients already in the little packet. Child, no. I'm going to tell you, if you want to try it for the first time and see if it's something you like, then yeah, go ahead and do the box. The box costs about $4, $3 and some change. And it's very good. It has all the parsley, onions, garlic, and whatever else goes in there that they want to put in there. But I can tell you, You just go to the store and get your bulgur wheat and get your own parsley. Everything is fresh and everything just goes right on in there. And I'm going to have my fish, my aTabouli, and on the side I'm going to have avocado. Baby, good meal. So anyway, keep in mind, I'm going to be going live sooner than you think. And I'm going to ask you all to participate in that conversation. Why can't we all just get along? And then I think we can discuss why you don't think we can get along. The missing links, why we keep missing each other. Because I think most people do want to get along, but they don't understand the gravity of what we're saying. And because, they always say, well, I wasn't there with my grandparents, my great-great-great-great-grandparents did all that. That has nothing to do with me. Not directly. But until you can understand and walk in my shoes and understand the gravity of the things that's happened to me and the people that I'm associated with and are close to me, then we can't get along, boo-boo. Anyway, love you guys. Open that door to open your mind to bigger, better things, and then we can all learn how to get along. Let's just start there. Open up that door. Let us in. Okay? Love you guys. Bye. Dear Cabin Fever, we've got the cure for your woes. Because